my sweet little friend. Today we are going to make a vase. So are you excited? Well then, let's see what do we have in our book. At first, we are going to make a very big oval. And then let's make these two curves right on top. Once we are done with that, let's make a sleeping line like this and then make it fat. Yes, for the mouth of our vase. If you feel that you have to move your book a little bit in order to make a nice drawing, please feel free to do so. After that, let's make the bottom part. Yes, very lightly. Just because this is a rough drawing, we are going to make it lighter at first, and after that, we can make it darker. Let's make these lines properly. Go very slow while making these lines. And if you make a mistake, that's completely alright. You can erase it and make it again. Once we are done with that, let's make these two standing lines and then the slanting lines and make it together. Let's do this bottom part now. This looks amazing. And now we will take our black sketch pen and start sketching this. Go very slow while sketching the entire drawing and do not overlap two sketch pen marks one on top of another. Go right on top of the pencil marks and complete sketching in a similar way. This looks great, isn't it? If you feel that you've made a mistake while drawing, not to worry. You can do it with your sketch pen and rectify it. Now, let's make these triangles properly. This looks interesting, isn't it? That's lovely. Once we are done with this, we will erase all the pencil marks and then you know what to do. Start coloring this. At first, we will take a violet color or a purple color and start doing the base of our vase. Let's do the outline at first and then color inside. This looks beautiful. Complete the outline first and then color inside, and make sure that you color only in one direction. Continue coloring this nicely. That's amazing. Let's take yellow color and do these parts. Well, if you know that one color is used at multiple places, we will do that first. And do not skip any part and color with another one. Always color the ones which are yellow first or any other color and then go to the next part. And after this, we will finish all the blue compartments. Let's go very slow while coloring as these are smaller portions. Complete this properly and do not leave any white spaces. This looks lovely.